Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful day out here. The sun is out, and we are getting into a little bit of farming today. Sio shimo moja, lakini moja mbele ya nyingine. On the mound of soil of our swells, we are putting some sweet potatoes and Irish potatoes. Sasa wewe itabidi utafute vijiti vingine, hivi ni vifupi vitapotea, havitaonekana. Virefu kidogo. Hizi zitapotelea. We're trying to mark where we put the potatoes. That's because this is an attempt. We don't know if they'll grow this way. I just took regular potatoes, cut them up, keeping some eyes on each one. We're going to see if they'll grow. So we are marking where we are planting them. That way we can actually tell if they grew or not. This is the first trench of our swale. So we plant some stuff on the mound of soil because when water is trapped here, it feeds these mounds of soil. So when the rain disappears, the water in here feeds these mounds of soil slowly. So whatever is planted here gets to feed off of these trenches. That's one of the reasons why we have these swales, these trenches dug on this shamba. It's to utilize the water here in the shamba. When the rain comes, we trap the water and get to use it, actually use it. So on this side where she's putting the sticks, we have done the potatoes, and then on the other side we have done sweet potatoes. Let's see here. We've planted sweet potatoes there. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but we have put sweet potatoes. So from that portion there going to this other side, we have put the sweet potatoes all the way up to here where we have our solar light. The sun has come out with a vengeance, I tell you. It is piercingly hot. Go! Trying to get this dog to go to its home. It's been wanting to go. I've opened the gate for it, but it's not going. I don't think it has noticed that the gate is open. So I'll leave it open for it to go. Meanwhile, on this other side, on our kitchen garden, we are finishing up the portion that we had left. Yesterday and the day before, I didn't have any workers here because they're usually casual employees, so they were working on their own shambas, working on their own farms, doing some planting. I don't like millipedes. And we do have a lot of them here, especially when it rains. I'm just pushing it out of my way. The first section that we had worked on, we had put in some vegetables. Since we are not doing the traditional seed bed, we just decided to plant this way, cover them up, and they'll just grow without us transplanting them. When it rained, we did have some of the grass washed out, so we will redo some of it, or rather cover it up, not the whole thing, but we will cover it up again today. so that the seedlings can get some warmth in here, in there a little bit. So the sections that we are adding, we will do some pigeon peas, some okra. I will plant a handful of maize in one corner. That maize is just specifically for eating, for the times when you want, just one maize to roast or a couple of them to boil. It's not the ones that we plant to get flour from. So this section has already been prepped. We're going to prep this middle section. We'll leave the chilies. We are not taking out the chilies. Mbona mkutoa haya mabenda? So we'll also add some cassavas on that line. Tosha, wacha njia. Mtoto amekataa kukaa chini.
Anaimba tu kwa mgongo.
Hataki kukaa chini.
Anaona kama namkimbia.
Songa Sharon, utagongwa na jembe.
Toka mama.
Njoo upande huu. Simama huko. Simama hapo ndio usigongwe na jembe. Ile mbolea iko pale, utairusha choto, njoo na kijiko na jembe kuonyesha. Let me show her what to do on this side. So we're just spreading out the manure before digging. That way it gets incorporated in the soil. That's what she's doing, just throwing it and spreading it around in the places where we hadn't thrown the manure. The sun is hot. Hey, sheesh. Hey. Mvua inakuja tena. Hai. Inachoma sana.
Mvua nyingi. Fadhali hiyo mvua tayari. Kukinyesha mvua utasikia kwa baridi. Lakini kwa hivi.
Ha?
Nasema hivi papai. Kwa vizuri.
Na papai ilishika.
Inapendeza saa hii.
Hivyo visiki ndio vinang'ang'ana, vitabidi vitolewe. Vinamalizia maji. We'll continue with the prep here, and then we'll plant in the evening. There are some things that we can plant now with the sun, the bigger seeds, but the tinier seeds will wait until evening to plant. I'll catch you later. The rain has chased us away from our work this morning. We were working back there in the garden. It has chased us away from our work. But it's a passing rain. It will pass and we will go back to work. We are digging back there, extending our vegetable garden. It's good and it's not good. It's good for us. I will take you to the underground water tank that is still in construction. That's not good for them. My blue drum over there is full. I'm losing out on water. That water tank base that I built should have been capturing water for me right now. The tank is in the outdoor kitchen there, ready to be installed, but we don't have the plumber here yet. But it's partially my fault. I let him go do some other work before coming here. You can see all the way back there, the sun is out already, so this cloud will also pass. This rain is not really here to stay. It's just passing through. Even this drum here is full. Later on, we will either use this water for laundry, cleaning, or even watering our vegetable garden. The water in this drum and that drum can be used for cleaning and laundry, and also watering the vegetable garden. If the rain is to stay away for a few days, then we can use it to water our vegetable garden back there. Okay. Let's see if we can go back. It seems to have passed already. Let's see if we can go back to work. I was wrong. It came back. It just passed again. Very heavy, chased us away from work, and it has gone again. It came very heavy, as you can see the water over there. It's funny rain. Just rains for like 30 seconds or 1 minute very heavily, and boom, it's gone. And then it waits a few minutes and it comes back again. Oh well. The clouds are still thick up there, as you can see, so it's probably not gone completely. We will wait to continue with our work.